Hello all and welcome to the 10 muscle movement series. Today is part 2 and we are going to talk about the hamstring muscle. Now, very often in the clinic, people have asked me, why do I even need to stretch my hamstrings when my problem is in the pelvic floor? Here's the reason. I have a pelvic model right here, and if you see, these two bones right here are the sit bones. Right? So these are the bones that you feel when you sit on like a chair or any surface, right? So if you think about it, your hamstring muscle starts from the back of your knee and it goes up to attach right there on your sit bones, right? And if you see, your pelvic floor is really close to the sit bones. So if your hamstring muscles are tight, very often your pelvic floor is not able to perform at its optimal capacity. That's the whole reason why we need to stretch the hamstring muscles. So let's learn 5 effective stretches that we are going to do today that would release your hamstrings and that are safe for your pelvic floor. So before we begin with the exercises, there are 2 important things that I would like you to know. One is that the hamstring muscle is made up of 2 different parts. Okay, one group is the medial hamstring muscle that attaches to the inside of your thigh and to the back of your knee, and the other is the lateral hamstring muscle that attaches to the outside of the knee. The second thing is you need to know what muscle action does the hamstring do. The hamstring is the primary flexor. That means it bends your knee, okay, and at the same time it also helps you extend your hip, okay. So when we stretch, we want to make sure that we are extending the knee and bending the hip. That means we are doing the opposite of what the muscle does, so that we are able to stretch the muscle. Okay, so as we begin our first exercise, I would like to mention that this is one of the easiest exercises to do for all of us and is very effective to stretch your hamstrings and at the same time very safe for your pelvic floor. Okay, so for this exercise, I would like you to get like a tennis ball or any ball that's firm. You're going to need a chair that you're going to sit on, and let's learn what to do. So, in the first step, you're going to take the ball, okay, and place it under your hamstring muscle. We are going to start from the, let me do it on this side so that you see it a little better. You're going to start from the middle of the hamstring and lay weight of your leg on the ball. Now, you're going to slowly start sliding the ball from side to side. Okay, now hold the ball stationary, and now you're going to extend the knee and bend the knee. Again, extend and bend. This is also called as the active release of your hamstring. Now let's do this same release on the inside muscle of your hamstring. So let me show it to you on this leg so that you're able to see. So I'm placing the ball on the inner hamstring muscle towards the inside of the thigh. The ball stays steady, and you're going to extend the knee and bend the knee. Extend and bend. Okay, now we are going to select a different spot, again on the medial hamstring. Keep the ball stationary, extend the knee and bend the knee, extend and bend. Let's do the same release on the lateral side of your hamstrings. That means your outside muscle of your back of the thigh. So let's start from the top, lay pressure on the ball. Make sure the ball doesn't roll away. Extend the knee, bend the knee, extend, bend. Keep going, extend, bend, and extend, bend. Good. Slowly take the ball off. So this is exercise 1, and it helps you release the myofascial connections. That means the soft tissue connections in between the hamstring muscle, making your muscle ready for further stretches. Okay, so let's begin with exercise number 2. In this exercise, all you're going to need is a small chair, which is stable. So, in the first step, you're going to face the chair. Make sure your shoulders are facing the chair, and you're going to gently put one heel on the top of the chair. Now, here's what you need to do. You got to make sure that your shoulders, both your shoulders, are facing the toes and you're facing in the front. Make sure your knee is straight and is aligned to your toes. So you're not going to let your leg plop out or plop in the beginning. Okay. Now you're going to keep your shoulders rolled back. Okay. Shoulder blades pinched, and you're going to gently hip hinge forward. Make sure that you're not doing this. Okay. This could cause back pain. You want to make sure that you're hip hinging forward, at the same time pulling your toes towards you. Now this is a generic stretch that will stretch your hamstring muscles as a whole. We are going to hold it there, count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now let's modify this stretch to stretch the inner part of your thigh or inner hamstring muscles. Turn the leg out this time, okay? And repeat the same action. So shoulder blades back, hip hinging forward, pull your toes towards you and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back to the center. Now this time we are going to roll the leg inwards. That's going to stretch these muscles. That means the outside muscles of your hamstring group. First step is engage your toes. Make sure you are standing straight. Don't hunch. Stand straight. Make sure your shoulder blades are engaged. Shoulders rolled back. Leg is straight in your knee. Now turn your leg in. Okay, and bend forward. Make sure your shoulders are facing the foot. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and slowly relax. Okay, let's repeat the same exercise on the other side. So now we are going to do it on the left side. Again, gently place your left foot on the chair. Make sure that your foot is engaged. We are going to first do this exercise for the whole hamstring muscle. Okay, so you're going to make sure that your shoulders are to roll back. Your heel is placed firm. You're looking straight, and you're going to now bend forward. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do not do this. Okay, so shoulders back. Now you're going to turn the leg out, and we are going to repeat the same procedure. Make sure your knee is straight, your toes are engaged, and you're going to bend forward. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toes in the center. Come back to neutral. Now you're going to turn the toes in. Bend forward. Make sure your shoulders are back. You should be able to feel a strong stretch on the outside of the hamstring muscle or outside lateral part of your back thigh. Okay, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back and get your leg down. Okay, so now let's learn exercise 3. In this video, you have to make sure that you're hip hinging, and I'm going to teach you how to. So let's stand on the side. Okay, you're going to keep some distance between both your feet. So I'm keeping all around shoulder width distance between both my feet. Alright, now when you are going to go forward, you're going to make sure that you keep your shoulder blades engaged. Okay, so when you bend forward, you're going to keep your back engaged, your shoulder blades engaged, and then gently bend forward when I tell you to. Okay, so now in this stretch, you're going to keep your knees slightly or maybe significantly bent in the beginning. Alright, we're going to go down with our shoulder blades and back engaged. You see how my back and shoulder blades are in a straight line, correct? And now from this position, you're going to gently straighten your knees to feel that stretch behind your thigh muscles. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bend your knees, extend your back, and come back. So never do this when you're doing your hamstring stretch, because in that case you're actually overextending or overstretching your back and nothing much is happening to your hamstrings. So try this exercise and let me know. This is again a standing exercise. Make sure that you do not overstretch. Do what is best and comfortable to your body. I'm going to show you what works best for my body. So what we are going to do is we are going to stand with shoulder width distance between both our legs. You could do it a little more than that, and you're going to turn your left leg out. Okay, so this is like a modified triangle pose that you do in yoga, but we are going to modify it for your hamstrings to keep it safe. Now you're going to extend your arms and you're going to make sure that you stretch to the side. You're going to reach. Make sure that you reach the farthest and slowly just tip over. Make sure that your right shoulder is rolled back. You look up and you feel like a nice but safe stretch in your hamstring muscle. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back, turn your foot in and let go. Alright, so now let's do it on the right side. So you're going to again open up your legs slightly more than shoulder widths apart. Make sure that your right foot is turned out, arms extended. Make sure you reach out to the side. Reach. Slowly tip over. Make sure that you turn your left shoulder up, look up. You should feel a comfortable stretch in your hamstrings. Keep working on your hamstring muscle. You should not feel any excessive stretch or pain. Look up, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up, arms down. That's exercise 4. Let's learn exercise 5. This is slightly interesting. So you would need to go down on the floor. So I have put like a yoga mat on the floor. Make sure that you have something that feels comfortable on your knee when you're in this position. Okay, so let's begin. I'm standing on my left knee facing the front, and all I'm going to do is put my hands down for support if you need to. Extend your leg. Okay, now right now I'm not going to hold my hands down. I'm going to stand up tall as I can get, point the toes towards me, and I'm going to try and sit back down with my hips on the left heel. So this is just a movement that should be good enough to stretch your hamstring muscles. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should feel a nice but comfortable burn in your hamstrings. Now let's do the same exercise with your foot out. Okay, again try and sit back down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You'll feel a nice stretch on the outside of your hamstrings when you do this. And now turn the foot in, go forward and stretch. Make sure that you're not hunching your back. Shoulders back. I have to remind myself too. Sit back, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do it on the other side. Other foot forward. Make sure your toes are engaged, and you will feel different stretches on each side. So one hamstring may be tighter than the other, and that's totally normal. Okay, so you're going to engage your toes. Make sure you sit back, leg is engaged, shoulder blades back, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn your foot out. Again, try to sit back down, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And turn your foot in. Try to sit back down, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly turn your foot to the center. Take your foot back. So there we are. We just learned the 5 most effective and safe stretches for your pelvic floor that focus on your hamstring muscles. This is the level 2 or the part 2 of the 10 muscle movement series that we are doing. If you missed our first, go back and watch the first calf stretching series. I have attached the link right here. If you find the stretches that we did today useful and effective, don't forget to share them with your friends, like and subscribe to our channel. I will be coming back with the 3rd muscle group in the 10 muscle movement series that we are doing for the exercises that would be safe and effective for your pelvic floor. I am Dr. Amruta Inamdar from Pelvic Rehab Doc. I would be looking forward to answer all your questions and comments that come on this video. I look forward to see you next week with another video focusing on a different muscle group. See you there.